Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and unboxing. Got a few things today. This one is a razor I bought from a seller in Australia. Throat's still a bit tickly from this flu I've got. Amazingly, it's not COVID. Still have been dodging it. So, as you can see there, that's a case that could do with a clean up. Look inside, and there we have it. So, it is an Aristocrat, an open comb. That's just in very average condition. I bought it, it's a cheap price. Thought I'll clean it up. Yeah, I hate it when they leave a blade in. Wilkinson sword. So there's a bit of surface rust underneath. So that should clean up pretty easy actually. Probably will come out in the ultrasonic clean. Or if that doesn't quite get it, just use a soft toothbrush and I'll just rub it off. Otherwise the action feels pretty good. Closes up nicely. I'll probably glue all this back together. I reckon underneath the cardboard, if that's never been removed, the print work underneath should be in very nice condition, and we've just got some old blades there. So it's not a bad piece to start the unboxing with. I'll just be back. I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, so got some finds in the wild from an auction site. Now let me get my glasses on. So there was 3 lots of razors that come up. So these are playing cards. Famos razor blades. Let's have a look. Is that a marked card? No, probably some little insect that bought it. I wonder if they were overused. That bit of advertising there. Back in the day when playing cards was a big pastime. A good way to advertise, I'd imagine. And so this little tin was part of it. Okay. And these, I believe, are razor blades. Son of Araby. Solinger. I don't know if there's any. Oh, there's some blades there. Oh, there comes the cat. No idea if these were any good at all. Cat always wants to be a part of it. Oh, I forget. Some loose sort of blade there. Some more Araby blades. This is a gem. blade in there, standard gem. And a straight. Can't even see what that says. Long life. Yep, long life. Made in Germany. I know close to nothing about straights. So if you actually know something about this particular brand, please hit me up in the comments. I'd like to know about it. Seems in fairly good condition, but I wouldn't know. Looks like it's been used though. We can see along the blade. Let's just put that out, leave that on top. Alright. Empire razor. We'll take any 3-hole or slotted blade. So we've got some old Gillette blades. And it's coming out. So there you go. Very, very basic razor. Extremely basic. What have we got there? Empire razor. Number 2. Patent. So this would have, I would imagine this would have been a real working man's razor. I can go back in there. Put you on top. Let's get on to the goodies. So this case has seen better days. So apparently an Aristocrat Junior one-piece razor. Oops. Oh, that's an unopened pack. 1 and 5, first of the 5th. And some more blades there. So let's have a look at this razor. Looks a bit dusty. Looks like it. Oh, there's some dead insect in there. Some sort of fly. Alright. And she's a bit tight. And once again we have razor blade. Inside. So action's fairly good. So I don't know too much about this one. I looked on Mr. Razor website and there wasn't one there for it. So I'll have to hit him up and see what he knows. See if we found something new or just something he hasn't put up before. Okay, Fat Boy. Usually this auction site I keep an eye on is pretty boring. It's usually straights or rolls razors, just stuff that's, you know, of no real value. And oh yeah, nice. That all works freely. So this will be something I'll clean up and probably move on. What blades do we have here? Take it! That will be your advantage. Can't say I've seen those razor blades before. So yeah, usually this site, it's just pretty basic razor stuff that comes up, and this week it was all full of little bits of gold. And probably the best one of the lot is this Eclipse. Red Ring Eclipse. Let's take that out there. So this case is actually in very nice condition. This razor has been specifically designed to give perfection in shaving with Eclipse super blades. So all this needs is just a bit of a clean up, and it should be right to go. Let's have a look at the razor itself. Once again, blade sitting in there. There's the magnet. Dusty as well. This is the 3-piece. Some of these are 2, others are 3-piece. What I like about these is that little basic Art Deco design on the cap, which you can see on there. Okay, we've got one more item. Oh, this is a great find. Look at this. The latest Brighton shirt. There you go. Can't wait to wear this to the casino with the fellas. Go watch the game. And not only did I get the home shirt, I got the away shirt. So very nice. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Bit of surprise at the end. The Brighton shirts, they look beautiful. Can't wait to wear them. Alright people, hope you had a good day, and we'll chat to you soon. Ciao for now.